to my channel. I'm sorry, I know I've been off and it's not like I prepared myself for this. The whole Vlogmas thing, I think it was getting to me too much, so I was a bit down during my trip coming back, and when I got to Nigeria, the whole thing just scattered my body system, everything, and I'm not so good with code, so I think the Ethiopia code dealt with me. This is Vlogmas day 10 from the channel, but I don't know what day it is. Like, I think I'm just going to apologize and speak to you guys about this. I don't think we can do the whole 25 days Vlogmas. I don't think, like, I'm way behind, and I don't want to start pushing myself too much like I was. I think that was the whole thing, because I wasn't getting enough sleep. I had Oma's label, I had Oma's world, then the fact that I had to shoot every single day and edit that same day, I was getting very little sleep. So the whole thing was really new to my body and my system and my daily habits, so I think that was why I actually felt sick. But I'm back and I'm a lot better, thank you. So for those that sent messages on Snapchat, Instagram, some people even followed me to Instagram, my comment section on Instagram. Thank you so much, thank you for checking on me. I'm a lot better now, so we'll continue with the Vlogmas. Anywhere we stop, fine, I shall know that we tried. The next year we'll prepare better, I'll come stronger next year, definitely. So this particular video is okay. I got a lot of questions about, especially from Nigerians that want to travel to Seychelles, because you know our passports has limitations, so there are a lot of countries you can't go to with a Nigerian passport, but I was able to travel to Seychelles with my Nigerian passport. So Seychelles is a very small island, like very small, emphasis on the small. It's more like a water-filled hills, a lot of hills. From my videos, I'm very sure a lot of you saw. Then water area, me and water, 5 and 6. So any country that has water, be expecting me. That's if I've not visited your country already. You don't need a visa, you just have to do like a travel permit. I got my agent to do that. What else? I'm back, you guys already know. So I'm just going to show you guys quick videos of the area, the environment, my hotel. I stayed in Story Seychelles, that's the name of my hotel. I'm going to put a lot of these details in the description box. Kindly check it, and if you have any other questions concerning my trip, you can drop it, you can drop your comments below. I'll check them. I'm going to add my room tour video in this particular vlog, just patches and a little bit of things that happened in Seychelles, or a lot of majorly my hotel and my room and the whole Seychelles environment. So that'll be it. Please enjoy. Good morning. So guys, like I said earlier, today's Vlogmas day 11. I'm still in Seychelles, but I'll be leaving very soon, because my trip is very short, very short. So I think it's around 3 p.m. now. I've been indoors all day trying to create content for Instagram and for Oma's label as usual. Skin always skinning. Okay guys, back to it. So I'm going out now. We're going out to the mall, and also to look around, because we've been actually indoors since we came in. So we're going out. You guys already know I'm with the baby boy, but you won't be seeing him in this particular vlog. So I'll be going out now. I think I'm going to the mall. Then there's some things I need to get, and also to look around, make videos and show you guys around. Like, how can I come to Seychelles and you people don't get to see everything? You people must see everything. I'm not leaving anything out. So I'll be going out. How many times have I said I've been going out now? I'll be going out now, so let's go.
at the mall. The mall is so beautiful. It's finer than Nigeria mall. I'm not going back to Nigeria again. Let me just tell you people, I'm not doing it again. I'm not doing it again. Ice cream. The ice cream is just sweeter than Nigeria. Please, Nigeria is not come for me. But we have a lot to improve on. We have a whole lot. When I get back to the hotel, I'll talk to you guys more. I won't be out for so long though. Then I'll just take a walk around to window shop and some other things. Then we'll get back to the hotel. But tomorrow is filled with more activities, and I don't know how we're going to do that, but we have to. Don't have a choice. Cheers with my ice cream. Let me get back to licking my ice cream. Talk to people later. Okay, my luggage is in already, and once you come in, I don't know. Oh, okay. We have this wardrobe closet. Ooh, I love the fact that it has a mirror here. Slippers, ironing board, and iron safe. Very important. They have these for mosquito. Okay, I think that's it from here. Then the shower area. Ooh, I love the fact that they have like 2 sinks. Then there's a tub here. Definitely gonna use this. And there's a toilet. Nothing to see here. I don't know what this phone is for, but so here is the shower area. Nice. I love hand showers. Very important. So what I love about this bathtub. We're coming back here. Okay, guys, let me show you. No. Let me not spoil it now. Oh, this is creepy, but nice in a certain way. And this is your beautiful, special baby girl. So, guys, there's a mirror here too. My luggage. I'm always overpacking. There's also a wardrobe here. I think this one I'll be using because the other one can't fit my box. That's if I even use it. Breakfast area. Tea, water, kettle. I think they should, a fridge. Empty fridge. Drawers. Oh, there's a teacup in here. And what's here? Okay, nothing. TV. Reading lamp. I don't know what this is, if it's a radio or what. Then this, and This place is so cold. This is the bed area. There's a mosquito net. I can bring it down if I want to. This frame is better. Bed's side lamp, couch, lamp, and this cute artwork here, and sitting area, mirrors. How many mirrors have I seen now? I just love the fact that there's mirror everywhere. Lamp, couch, definitely for my makeup and all that. So this is what I love the most about this place. The fact that I almost fell. The fact that I can shower and still be looking outside or into the room. I can be in the bath tub. Just see. I love this. I'm trying to show you guys all the angles. This is so nice. So nice. Like very nice. Okay, let's go. That's not all. Okay. Wow. That was easy. Nice. There's the corridor, balcony. This is my view from my room. This is the view from my room. There's a sitting area, also a sitting area. So from my room, I have this view. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, do not forget to share my videos. You guys know that I'm doing this for you, so please, the least you can do is watch. Please watch. I'm currently in the Story Seychelles, so I hope I'm really looking forward to a lot of things. This is my first time in Seychelles, and I actually want to enjoy this holiday. We don't have much activities planned, so it's a good thing, more of relaxation, and I'm going to be here for a very short period of time, so enough resting. See you guys tomorrow.